Hello everyone, welcome back on new course, and this course is about Photon Fusion 2 using the share mode. So basically in last course we have launched the host mode, and we were also getting the response of the student they wanted on the share mode. So this course we had launched on the YouTube on the join. Basically if you are the member, so you can watch that course, but there are so many countries join button is not available, so I was getting requests to launch on the Udemy. So we are launching on the Udemy, and that is really very interesting because we have followed the documentation of Photon Fusion 2 shared mode and created the videos where we are going to take two capsule and where you are going to see that how movement is syncing, how spawning is syncing, and how bullet is going to sync. So I'm really very excited, and 80% of the concept you will understand properly, and we have so many courses on the Udemy. Please check out, you will learn a lot, and join me on the Discord as well as on my YouTube channel Nested Mango. So hopefully you will learn a lot on this course. See you in the course.